What?
Your neighbor.
Is what? Yeah, do you know me,
Yeah,
blood?
your neighbor.
Nah, you don't know me. Do you know me?
It's your neighbor. I know who this is.
You what? What? Do you know me, blood? You don't know me yet.
I know who this is.
Who is it then?
Yes,
Go on,
my
then, who is it?
newspaper every morning that comes to my house, and you come over and take it and bring it to your house?
You know what? Yeah, I think you should shut your mouth, man. Because when I see you in the streets, you're fucked.
Okay, you keep the door unlocked, and I'll walk right in there. Let's get it on! I don't know what. I want my newspaper back.
Finished.
I'm tired of playing with you. I want my newspaper back.
I bet it's a super computer, man.
I know who this is.
Yo.
If you don't want me in your house, I can be over there in 2 seconds.
You what?
You want me to kick your ass?
You said that before?
You don't talk to me like that.
Hey, whoever this is here, you fucking savage, you see.
Okay, yeah, let's go. Why are you trying to change your voice?